The Edit Styles pane shows a consolidated display of styles as a tree view. Similar styles are grouped together and each style is synchronized with the document on the right. For this to happen, the styles configured in the style collection should match the styles in the InDesign template. The toggle expand button expands or collapses all nodes of the tree. The refresh icon refreshes the style pane after changes have been made to a style. The add icon adds a new style. The search bar enables quick search of styles mapped in the style collection, and close icon closes the pane. Separate toggle icon for expanding and collapsing each style is also provided. Each of the styles displayed as paragraph styles, character styles and group styles is synchronized at a paragraph level in the document. Any style that is not defined in the InDesign template for the project, category or the site is highlighted in gray. You can edit the style name or update the InDesign template if it is a relevant style. You can also add a new style, move paragraph between styles, or remove a style. Each of them also have separate videos in the help section. Let us quickly see how tagging is done through the Edit Styles pane. To move a paragraph to a different style, click on the arrow of the style which is highlighted in gray. In the drop-down, select the checkbox against the relevant paragraph. Then go to Relevant Style, right-click on the mouse and select the option Move to Style. PageMajik will display a notification pop-up confirming the same. In the document, you will notice the style color change from gray to yellow, indicating that the selected style is recognized in the InDesign template. Alternatively, positioning the cursor in the relevant paragraph, using the keyboard shortcut Alt+M for Windows or Option+M for Mac, you can mark the relevant paragraph. Then enter the shortcut Alt+A for Windows or Option+A for Mac to open the styles search bar. Type in the relevant style, choose from the shortcut and press Enter. To rename a style, right-click on the style that is highlighted in gray and choose Edit Name from the options in the drop-down. Type in the correct style name and hit Enter to complete the action. You can also use just the 4 arrow keys of your keyboard to navigate through styles. Up and down arrows to move between paragraphs in a style, left arrow to close a style, right arrow to open a style and space bar to select a style or a paragraph.